Hello and welcome to Energyscout News and Information. I'm your host, Scott Huggins. Today's segment will focus on independent producers within the energy industry. In breaking news today, Australia's largest oil and gas producers lack growth opportunities to drive up share prices this year. Forecast earnings for Woodside Petroleum and Santos do not support existing stock prices. Oil Search, Papua New Guinea's biggest oil producer, is the best placed of the larger stocks for share price gains. Analysts said the focus this year would be on developing, valuing, and acquiring oil and gas reserves. Any revising of reserves higher would most likely result from the progress on LNG projects and growth in coal seam gas. Empyrean has been advised by the operator that significant gas flares have been encountered over approximately 2,700 feet. It's important to note that the flares were encountered while drilling with relatively heavy mud weight. This has prompted the operator to cease drilling at a measured depth of 15,100 feet, prior to the planned total depth of 17,800 feet. In other news, Enhanced Oil Resources picks up the pace in Texas and New Mexico. Since the last report to shareholders in December, the company has progressed on several fronts. At the company's St. John's helium and CO2 field in Arizona and New Mexico, drilling operations are underway after initializing drilling on December 28th of last year. The Forster drilling rig is currently on the 11-29-31 well location. Operations are currently working on the drilling rig to upgrade the pumps. Pantheon Resources is pleased to provide an update on the drilling of the Fay Wheel Ross et al. Number 1 on the Nottoway prospect in southern Louisiana. It has now reached total depth at 13,894 feet. Natural gas shows were encountered while drilling. Now let's take a look at today's market numbers. Crude oil is down $1.96 a barrel to $92.69, while natural gas is down 49 cents to $8.12. For leaders and laggards, Occidental is leading the pack, up 3.25%, while China Petro is lagging at 3.18% decline. In strange news today, making money by selling tumbleweeds? Take a look.
I'm the tumbleweed millionaire.
Well, she's not actually a millionaire, but Linda Katz is making a small fortune online, selling the most unusual product, tumbleweeds. Yep, those round, dried-up bushes that roll around in the flat western plains, usually at very dramatic moments. The business started back in 1994, when Linda wanted to teach herself how to design a website. So she just made up the idea of the Prairie Tumbleweed Farm.
I'm in the prairie, right in the middle of the prairie, southwest Kansas, in the tumbleweed capital of the world.
She advertised tumbleweeds for sale, small, medium, and large.
Okay, now this would probably be a small.
But it was all just a joke.
This would have to be a giant tumbleweed.
Fortunately for Linda, some people just didn't get it.
But I started getting orders daily, and I still do. I get orders every day.
Now she's laughing all the way to the bank, wrangling, boxing, and shipping about 15 to 20 tumbleweeds a week.
That makes me wonder if there's any money in the pine cone market. And that's it for today's Energy Headlines. Be sure to check out our website at Energyscout.com. Stay tuned tomorrow where we'll take a look at the production within the energy industry. For Energyscout News and Information, I'm your host, Scott Huggins.